Christmas crafting lights are shining, sticky stencils, no real lining, glitter dancing everywhere, snowy sparkle in the air. Paper, ribbon, glue and paste, nothing here will go to waste. Every brush and every stroke feels like magic when we create. Hands all covered up in glitter, hearts are warm and spirits bigger. Christmas crafting, oh what fun! Sticky stencils for everyone. Glitter, paper, ribbon bright, jars turn lanterns, bottles light. Cut and paint and glue it tight, crafting Christmas feels so right.
Hot sock paint,
Rice paper greetings, cards we fold, stories written, love retold. Paste and varnish, snowy flakes, cozy joy is what we make. Tie the jute and wrap the bow, let the Christmas magic show. With every piece we cut or glue, the world becomes more bright and new. Hands all covered up in glitter, hearts are warm and spirits bigger. Christmas crafting, oh what fun! Sticky stencils for everyone. Glitter, paper, ribbon bright, jars turn lanterns, bottles light. Cut and paint and glue it tight, crafting Christmas feels so right.
hot sock markers,
It's not just crafts or paint or glue, it's memories we're making too. Every sparkle, every line turns a moment into time. Christmas crafting, oh what fun! Sticky stencils for everyone. Glitter dreams and winter nights, turning simple into bright. Cut and paint and glue it tight, crafting Christmas feels so right. Christmas crafting, oh what fun! Sticky stencils for everyone. Glitter, paper, ribbon bright, jars turn lanterns, bottles light. Cut and paint and glue it tight, crafting Christmas feels so right.
hot sock paint,
Rice paper greetings, cards we fold, stories written, love retold. Paste and varnish, snowy flakes, cozy joy is what we make. Tie the jute and wrap the bow, let the Christmas magic show. With every piece we cut or glue, the world becomes more bright and new. Hands all covered up in glitter, hearts are warm and spirits bigger. Christmas crafting, oh what fun! Sticky stencils for everyone. Glitter, paper, ribbon bright, jars turn lanterns, bottles light. Cut and paint and glue it tight, crafting Christmas feels so right.
hot sock markers,
It's not just crafts or paint or glue, it's memories we're making too. Every sparkle, every line turns a moment into time.